Alright guys, so here we are back with part 2. And as you can see, we have the tire back on, everything's back on. The leak was just small and it just had to be just tightened more and just had some tape around it, and then it's all good. Like Teflon tape, and that did the job.
The nipple needed to be tightened.
Yeah, the nipple needed to be tightened. And now we're just about to get it off the wooden stands, and I guess that's what's gonna happen right about in a few seconds here. Eric came over. He just kind of barged in. He's like, nah, just kidding. And then he, yeah, we saved the soft shell turtle. And that's about the story of today. So I think he's about to turn the car on. Oh my god! Backfire! Yo, those backfires though!
I thought he was about to go drive through.
Pop, pop! You don't want to mess with this, trust me. Yeah. I'm a rev it. Alright, fine. What?
Close the door.
Alright, boys, we in the car now, boy. This thing's like, yo, I haven't been in this thing for a long time. Gauges, boost gauges, all that good stuff. Yeah. You hear that? Oh, there's the Alky. Yeah.
I gotta move that car so I can. Why would you video my neck?
I didn't video your neck. Yeah. I know, it's crazy. I wonder if the camera even like picked up the revs. I hope it did, because it sounded really good.
You know when like things get so loud, the like microphone just like blanks?
Yeah, I just can't hear it.
Yeah, I probably just did that.
Yeah, I
it's
know.
just like it's
so loud that it's just like nothing.
I don't know. I have a pretty good mic, so I think it'll pick. I think it picked it up.
It definitely will, but like, it's probably gonna ear rape everyone.
Oh, okay. Wow. So it matches. My dad's gonna be happy about that. It matches nicely, very nicely.
You didn't even notice.
Very nicely matched. Yeah, very nicely matched. What are you doing?
It sounds electric compared to the Corvette.
Yeah.
Can't park on the side of the road here, man.
What are you doing?
It's not allowed, man.
No leaking. No leak. All right, no leaking, guys. No leaks. We're all good. You gonna go for a ride?
I gotta go test it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with you. Well, I can't record the ride? Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.